What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here on the Mogollon Rim, kind of the lower area of it, and we're gonna hit some trails, scout for some camp spots, because the tent is off of the truck, because we're doing some plans coming up soon. So follow along for today's video and kind of check out what we got up here.
Just wants to walk around.
All right, everybody, so that first trail that we decided to hit kind of sucked. So we're gonna go hit this Hell's Gate trail right here. Hell's Gate, Trail 37, and we've never done this one before, but we got no tent, no rack right now, so we're super lightweight. We're airing down the tires right now. All right, guys, we're making our way up this trail here. It's a bit of a doozy, especially with flip-flops on, but it's pretty fun. Probably the best forest trail I've ever hit, so I'm enjoying it. All right, everybody, this is why you don't buy side-by-sides. They're pieces of shit. And I hope this guy made it back into town, because we're out in the middle of nowhere. Hope the homie made it back to town, because we're kind of up here on a mountain and everything. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little camp spot right off that trail. So we're gonna probably come up here pretty soon. Let's see if I can get my brother-in-law Adam, this two-wheel drive Tacoma, up this trail. What's your mechanic opinion on that one?
No good.
up. We're gonna see. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, she's dead. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Let's see. Does it get easier after this spot? Oh yeah, this is fucking sick. Okay. Right there. All right, now we know why the old man broke his shit.
You can see where he broke it.
Oh, I saw that shit. Yeah, dude. Let's see. I saw that when I was hiking this road with my flip-flops. No? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is pretty gnarly.
You gonna come up that side?
Yeah, I will. I don't have a 10 on, right? Yeah, we got this. All right, wish me luck. We're gonna go up this right side right here. It's a little bit more shittier, but we don't got the 10 on, the rack on, so we got no excuses.
Ain't nothing to Colorado can't do.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. You know, I gotta walk down this in flip-flops. When am I ever gonna learn? Oh, fuck! Ow. Damn. Fucking rock, man. Took me out. All right, let's do this. Oh, guys, on that hill, we fucking ripped the pants. Can you see that? We ripped the pants. Oh my god. What the fuck? All right, that was pretty fun. Obviously, that's probably where the old man broke his stuff at, and I ripped my pants on that, going up that thing with my flip-flops on, so that kind of sucks. These are my favorite chonies. So I guess I'm just gonna have to put my cowboy boots on next time I gotta go off-roading. It's cowboy boots and flip-flops, that's it right there. But we're trying to get over this trail. I really like how the Colorado performs without the rooftop tent and the rack, so I think we're out here testing the less weight, and I'm loving it. So I think that's the plan coming in the near future. So we're gonna hopefully try to get home pretty soon here. We just finished this trail almost, so I'll catch up with you guys if we find any more activities outdoors. All right, everybody. Well, Parker just stopped, dead stop. We thought he snapped his tie rod, but I think he hit that and it jolted his power steering. It probably just jolted it, so then it's called an error. So we're gonna unhook the battery.
That fucking hurt.
Let's see your arm.
Just hit my arm on the steering wheel.
That was a steering wheel burn. Never seen that before. So we're gonna unplug his battery, plug it back on, wait 10 minutes and see how it turns out. But his tie rods are fine. Nothing's broken.
I mean, I bounced off that fucking hard.
Yeah. Hit that corner with the tire and fucking yanked her. So we're gonna try that out. But poor fucking steering wheel burn, dude. Oh man. So I'll check in once we get done with this. Hopefully it all works out. Hopefully.
Straight right now.
Yeah.
Oh, we're dialed.
She good?
We're dialed.
All right, everybody. Yeah, he just disconnected his battery terminal and waited 10 minutes and then plugged it back in. Now it's good. It's just like a safety feature. Once, come on, dude. Oh. It's just a safety feature, you know. Whenever you get hit real hard, it goes into limp mode and you just gotta restart it. It's happened to me before on trail, and we're up and running now, so we're good. What do you think, Finn? All right, everybody, we just got done hitting that trail, and that was really fun. Parker threw his truck into limp mode with power steering, so you know, if that ever happens to you, just disconnect the battery and connect it back on. So that was a really fun trail. We actually found a cool forest off-road trail. Definitely gonna be having to hit that a couple times with some buddies. So make sure to check out my merch, DOWNTIMELOST.com. You guys are awesome. Love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.